Hey, Optimizely community. I would like to introduce the plugin for Figma called Optimizely Content Type Builder, where you can create your Optimizely CMS content type directly from your Figma visuals and design. Have a look. I have a one of the open source design for the hero banner, and I'm going to open the plugin. Here you can go to plugin, manage plugin, and you can search for Optimizely content type builder. I'm opening it from my recent plugin. Here you need to provide the Optimizely CMS REST API URL, ID, and secret, which can connect to the CMS to create the content type. In my Optimizely CMS instance, I can use this my instance name URL as a API, and I need to use the full API underscore CMS preview 2. You can find your REST API endpoint details from the Optimizely documentation. For a client ID, you can go to settings, API client, and let me create a new one for the Figma. Create. Okay, so I can use this client to connect with the Figma plugin. Client ID is Figma and the secret. Generate access token. So it's connected with the Optimizely CMS, and here in the plugin you can see all your layers in your Figma design. Example, the hero image, the logo, the title, descriptions are automatically populated as a property for your content type hero banner, which is your Figma page. So each page in your Figma design will be treated as a component in your Optimizely CMS. So if you select the layer, you know this is your title layer, this is your description, this is the Figma logo, and this is the banner. The name, the type automatically populated as per the type in your Figma. Here this is my title, so it is text string less than 255 character. In case the text is more than 255 character in your design, automatically it will map to the HTML string. You can have a display name to define title, and this is my description. I can say the description. This is your Figma logo. This is the hero image. You can name it to hero image. You can see it's automatically type link and URL to image, and this is the name property for your content type. If you want to keep a different name for your content type, you can directly rename your layers, and I can say title. It will be rename the property title. This is the description, so automatically your property name will be generated from your layer name, which you can rename directly from the Figma. Description. This is my Figma logo, this is my hero image. Okay, let me change it to hero image, and this is my parent layer. Maybe just let me try to make as a choice, and selected, not selected, let me name is hero, and so this is how it's configured. So if you keep the proper naming conventions at the time of the your Figma designs, all your property names and the display name will be automatically captured. It might be a case you want to skip or ignore the specific type or a layer in the Figma. There is a preference where you can define the layer prefix. So all the layers which start with specific prefix will be only appear in your content type. Now once I click on the create, it will create your content type in the CMS. So let's go to the CMS. go to content type, and I have a new type created, hero banner. You can see your hero title, selected, not selected, title, string, Figma logo, image, descriptions created automatically. So this is how Figma plugin will work. It's still alpha release. There is many more features coming soon to have a more capability for all the different data types, other fields like required, localizations, and many more. So stay tuned. Thank you.